Woo! It is a nice windy day at Honolulu Country Club. We get a lot of those here in the summertime when the trade winds start blowing. So I'm going to teach you how to hit shots into a blistering wind like this. Now I know a lot of you at home will take your normal club and just swing as hard as you can, and that ball will just balloon in the sky and it ain't gonna go anywhere. So I'm gonna teach you a little different method. I'm gonna take 2 extra clubs here, and remember, the key in any swing is balance and rhythm. So I'm not gonna fight the wind, I'm just gonna take more clubs. Woo, here we go. Remember now, swing smooth, and that'll help you keep the ball down. And you'll be putting for birdie every single time. Hope this tip finds you well. See you, folks. Huh? 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 How's them apples? Easy par. That's good. Birdie. Was inside the handle. My driver. I putt with my driver. I actually do hit good shots every so often.